You guys made my creme brulee croissant viral. Here's that recipe you've all been waiting for. This recipe will be enough for a 12-count box of Costco croissants. For the sugar glaze, you're going to want a 1-to-1 ratio of granulated sugar and water. So you need 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. You want to cook the sugar to a caramel state, which is around 320 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, you'll see this amber color, and that's when you know it's ready. Bring your heat down to low so you don't burn your sugar glaze, and then you can start adding your croissants in and coating the top side of the croissant. Please be very careful when you're doing this because the sugar is burning hot. You'll place it off to the side. I put mine on a parchment paper. Once you remove it from the heat, you're going to notice that that shell is going to form very quickly. While the shell is hardening, we're going to move on to the creme brulee filling. This is the base that we're going to start off with, and here is a list of ingredients that you're going to need. I'm going to use this mixing bowl directly over the heat. If you don't have this bowl, you can use a pot and that's fine too. But at this point, your flame is off. You're going to add all of those ingredients in and incorporate it together. We do have starch in here, which will thicken it, but we want to start off by cooking this on low and continuously stirring. Every now and then, I turn the heat on high for a few seconds to help thicken it, and then I'll bring it back down on low again. At the end of it all, you should have a thick, creamy consistency like this. We now want to stick this in our fridge because we need it completely cooled down. Next up, we're going to make our stabilized whipped cream to fold into that filling. Here's a list of ingredients you'll need. We're going to mix this together in spurts until we get stiff peaks. So we'll start by going light, adding the dissolved gelatin in, mixing it some more. Halfway through, we'll add that powdered sugar. It's going to be half a cup. Then we're going to mix this on high until the whipped cream is stiff like this. Once your creme brulee base is completely chilled, then you can start folding in your whipped cream. If that base is still warm, the whipped cream is going to start melting and curdling in your filling. So make sure that it's chilled all the way down. Now for the fun part, we're going to fill the croissants with this filling. I've got a piping bag with a tip on it. I highly recommend it. If you don't, you can try using a Ziploc bag and snipping that end. Carefully create an incision point. This is where you'll go in and squeeze the creme brulee filling into your croissant. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for my creme brulee croissant. I hope you try it, I hope you make it, and then let me know what you think.